In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this Samsung. Begin by opening Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Now scroll down again, click on Privacy under Updates, and finally choose Permission Manager. Now you need to select one of your device's features that you wish to manage. I will go with Location. Now click on one of your apps, for example Chrome, and set up the best option for you by tapping on the one that you wish to apply. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I go back, as you can see, Chrome just gained access to my device's location if I'm using it. You can always go back though. Pick any feature and then look for an app that you are interested in. I will go into Microphone in order to access my camera. Now scroll all the way down. Click on See All Camera Permissions instead and manage all of them only for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!